I'm Ahmed Sheikha, the co-founder and chief business officer of Brimore. I currently manage three main things: strategy, investment and fundraising, and the product roadmap. Brimore is a social commerce and parallel distribution platform connecting emerging brand owners with a network of individual sellers who market and sell these products using social media, enabling the first to have a smooth market access and the second to have a decent monthly income opportunity. In the past 4 years, we managed to cover all of Egypt. We have 75,000 sellers and 300 different suppliers with 8,000 different SKUs. We also managed to secure a decent amount of investment funding, and we're currently expanding in Africa. So the company currently employs around 700 people. They are split between different functions. We have the technology and product team, we have the operations, we have the commercial, we have the sales team, we have the finance, HR, and we have a sister company working in logistics and warehousing as well.
I'm Ahmed Hisham. I am the CTO of Brimore. I'm managing the technology department in the company, managing all the software development stuff, the data needs, and the applications implementation in Brimore. Odoo was introduced to the company from the early stages. The startup started with Odoo to use it to manage our orders management system just for the sales orders for 2.5 years. Then we started to implement other modules on Odoo and to depend on Odoo as our main ERP system. So we faced challenges in integration between different departments. We faced challenges on data visibility because of the systems we used. Before Odoo, we used Excel mainly to manage our data and our operations flow. We implemented the full supply chain modules on Odoo. We are using the financial module, the inventory module, the purchasing module, and beside that, we are using the help desk module heavily in our daily operations to follow up on the productivity of the employees, the agents, the orders tracking and fulfillment, and so on. Beside that, we are using some other modules like live chatting, the marketing, mailing lists management, the contacts management, and so on. We are in a high-growing or fast-growing environment in Brimore. When we started using Odoo, we were 50 employees. So managing all these transactions were impossible without a reliable system to use. So using Odoo, currently we have around 50 customer service agents. We have a full financial department using the system. We have full control on our warehousing. We increased our products list from 800 to 3,000 now. We are managing around 50,000 shipments using Odoo, and a lot of numbers increased actually with the company growth. The main advantage for me from a technology perspective is flexibility. In fast-growing environment like Brimore, we are changing the business model. We are trying a lot of stuff all the time. We are implementing new things. We are integrating with a lot of third parties. So the flexibility to plug and play different modules, the flexibility to integrate with other systems was the key thing for me in Odoo.
In the past 4 years, our suppliers grew with us. Some of them actually experienced around 50x growth in their business volumes and in their capacity as well. What we found that we have a great opportunity to integrate all of these suppliers, to digitize their work process, to make them part of a bigger ecosystem of Brimore. That's why we launched a supplier development program with the main reason of developing suppliers in 3 main areas. The first part is business processes, the second part is governance and financial readiness, and the third part is digitization. This is what we hope and where we hope Odoo can help us be a partner in enabling at least 300 suppliers that we have now, and in the future we are targeting 1,000 different suppliers to be fully digitized, fully integrated in a bigger ecosystem of Brimore.